Okay, everyone. Today we'll solve another worksheet of page 73 and 75. Very important worksheet. This type of question can come into exam. So let's start. Number 1A. Simplify and convert it as mixed number if possible. So at first we have to simplify, then convert it. How will you solve? Look, these two numbers are mixed number. So at first we have to add the whole number. So 15 plus 7, that will be 22. And then we have to add the fraction 1 by 2 plus 2 by 4. Then look at this. These two fractions are not like fractions. So we have to make them like. How can we make them like? By multiplying this one by 2. So 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4 plus 2 by 4. If we have the same denominator, then we'll add the numerator. So 2 plus 2, that is 4. 4 by 4. 4 by 4, that will be 1. 4 by 4, that will be 1. So here, add whole number. If we add whole number 15 plus 7, it will be 22. And if we add the whole number, it will be 1. 22 plus 1, that will be 23. Answer will be 23. This is the one way to solve this problem. And now I will show you another way to solve it. That is by converting this one as improper fraction. How? 2 15 is 30 plus 1, 31. Plus 4 7 is 28 plus 2, 30. Then convert this one as like fraction. How? You can convert it in two different ways. Look, you can make the denominator as same denominator by multiplying this 2 by 4 or dividing this 4 by 2. Okay. So if we multiply this one by 2, what will we get? We'll get 31 2 is 62, 2 2 is 4 plus 30 by 4. Look, now both fraction are like fraction. So just add the numerator. 62 plus 30. 62 plus 30, that will be 92. 92 by 4. Now divide numerator and denominator both by 2. What will we get? We'll get 2 4 is 8, 6 and 2 2 is 4. Okay. Again, we can divide it by 2. So you will get 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6. Look, our answer is 23. So in this way, you can solve this problem. Okay. This problem is very important. Now, next one, number B. At first, we have to add the whole number. 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1, that is 4. Then we have to add the proper fraction. So 2 by 5 plus 3 by 10. So now we have to look at the fraction. They are not like, they are unlike fraction. Then what we do? We have to make them like fraction. How? By multiplying this fraction by 2. Why? Because 5 2 is 10. Okay. So 2 2 is 4, 5 2 is 10. And 3 by 10. Now look at this. Here denominator is 10. So we have to add the numerator 4 plus 3. And 4 plus 3, that will be 7. 7 by 10. 4 whole 7 by 10. And that is the solution of number B. Number C. At number C, if you look at this, look, here what is the whole number? 4 and 2. So 4 minus 2, it will be 2. And if we subtract the fraction, then 2 by 3 minus 1 by 6. What will we get? Look, we can multiply this fraction by 2. So 2 2 is 4, 3 2 is 6 minus 1 by 6. Look, if 6 is the denominator, then we have to only subtract the numerator. 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1, that will be 3. 3 by 6. Now divide both numerator and denominator by 3. We will get 1 by 2. So what will be the final answer? 2 whole 1 by 2. Okay. Very simple. And you can solve it in another way. Just converting this mixed into improper. Look, how can we convert? Look at this. At first, 3 4 is 12 plus 2, 14. Minus 6 2 is 12 plus 1, 13. Now, we have to make both fraction as like fraction. How? Just multiply this 3 by 2. Okay. If you multiply this one by 2, what will we get? We'll get the like fraction. Okay. So 14 2 is 28, 3 2 is 6. minus 13 by 6. Look, both denominator is same, so we have to subtract the numerator. 28 minus 13, that will be 15 by 6. Now we can divide both numerator and denominator by 3. Then we get 3 5s are 15, 3 to 6. Now divide 5 by 2. 5 divided by 2. So 2 2s are 4, remainder 1. So answer should be 2 whole 1 by 2. Look, both answer is same answer. Okay, very simple. Now this one. 18 by 25 minus 9 by 15. It will be better if we convert these fractions unlike fraction. How can you convert? Just multiply this fraction by 2. So if we multiply 25 by 2, then it will be 15. So 18 to the 36 by 25 to the 50 minus 9 by 15. Okay. Look, both denominator is same, so we have to subtract the numerator. So 36 minus 9. What is 36 minus 9? That will be 27 by 50. Okay. Then 27 by 50 will be our final answer.